Welcome to PopWood Playback. This is where we share the best woodworking videos of the week. This week I have another batch of submissions that I want to share with you. And I have 3 of them, and then I want to talk about going to WorkbenchCon. So the first video that I want to share with you is from Tim at Making It Work. He did a pallet wood fireplace for a customer, and it turned out pretty nice. And he has 42 subscribers, and so I would love it if you went over to his channel, gave him some love, subscribed, and checked out what he's got over there. Next up is a update on a rocking chair build from Mike Fulton. He built this chair 3 years ago, and he kind of talks about how it's held up, how he's been using it, just kind of walks you around it a little bit. And he also links to the series that he did on building the whole thing. It's a reproduction of a chair that he had before, and now he just is enjoying it. And Mike's a good dude. He came to Cincinnati to do a PopWood Playback with us way back. Maybe I'll even link to that in the comments description. So you can check that out and learn a little bit more about Mike. But go to his channel, check out that video, and give him a subscribe. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to be at WorkbenchCon, which is a conference, this is the 2nd year of it, where DIY content creators kind of come together and talk about best practices, what's working, and a lot of the folks that have larger channels are presenting at this conference. I have a long list. I don't even know if I should read it all, but Ben Ueda, Chris Salomone, Mike Montgomery, Glenn Scott of DIY Creators, Izzy Swan, Anna Whitehouse, Jen Woodhouse, Brad Rodriguez, Ann Briggs, Johnny Brooks, Sean Stone. It's a long list, and actually I'll link to their website where you can see the schedule and that sort of thing. But my thing for you all, if you're not able to go, I'm going, and I'm kind of going as like one of the journalists, even though I just have a regular ticket. But ask some questions. If you're interested in anything about these folks or anything about the conference, I'm happy to come back here and report and share my experience with you because it should be pretty fun. They've engineered this conference to be a lot of learning, but also a lot of networking and a lot of like tool demos from the sponsors and that sort of thing. So I think it's gonna be pretty fun. It'll be nice to get out of Cincinnati and head south. So follow up in the comments with some questions about the conference or anything you want to know about some of the creators, and I'll be back in 2 weeks. Yes, that means next week we will not have a playback, but let me know what you want to know about WorkbenchCon. Next up is Michael Builds. He walks us through how to do a concrete countertop. This is a new channel to me, never seen it before. But he had a lot of energy. It's a fun channel, 21,000 subscribers, and he uses rapid set mortar mix for the top, and he kind of talks about why that's a good choice. It's fast setting, it's really strong really quickly, so it seems like a pretty good product for it. So I was impressed, and I have some daydreams about making some concrete furniture for my back deck, so maybe I'll use that. Anyhow, check out his videos and his channel. So again, I want to thank you and everybody that has sent me videos the last 2 weeks. It's been a lot of fun to get those emails and hear about the videos that you've been into over the last few weeks. So if you are making videos or if you have a video that you've really enjoyed in the last week, send it to me and we'll have a mega episode. Jake, I just thought of that. I'm promising a mega episode the week that I come back for PopWood Playback. We'll do a bunch of videos. I'll recap WorkbenchCon. That'd be awesome. And we'll give away something too. I'll figure out what that is later. Anyhow, send me an email and check the description for all of the links that I've talked about because I can't remember what I've said in the last 5 minutes. So we'll see you next time.